Hi everyone, this is Michelle from Hey Michella, and today I'm going to do the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss Bundle review. So I'm just going to go straight to it. Bundle includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 glosses, and each gloss retails for $16. It says that that is an ultra glossy luminous gloss that glides on the lips smoothly and evenly with added shea butter, leaving behind a radiant and moisturizing shine. Or you can wear it alone, or you can use it with a lip liner or layer on top of your favorite matte liquid lipstick. Now, I'm just going to go straight to it and show you guys the colors. So the first one is Oh You Fancy, and so this is how the packaging looks like. It looks like this, so it just has her lips, and then it just says Kylie. Looks like that. This is how the packaging looks like. Each gloss contains 0.11 ounces, which is 3.0 grams. So this is Oh You Fancy. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And then it says Kylie Jenner on the back, and it just says Kylie right here. So it says that Oh You Fancy is a sheer with silver champagne pearls. Now I'm going to swatch this one. So I'm going to show you how this one looks on. Do I have him here? Right here. This is Oh You Fancy. So again, Oh You Fancy is a sheer with silver champagne pearls. It looks nice. Sorry if I'm looking up, it's just the little display thing. This is Oh You So Fancy. The next one that I'm going to swatch is Yes Girl. The names are very, very creative. So that's good, because then you could be like, what are you wearing on your lips? I'm wearing Yes Girl. I just think it's funny how like lip colors have a very creative name. So Yes Girl is a sheer bright gold with a pink flip. I'm not really sure what that means, but it is a sheer bright gold with a pink flip. So this is how it looks like. It's very gold. I wonder what the pink flip is. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, let's try this on. So the applicator is very, very chunky. So like, let me see if I can put this. This is how the swatch looks like. It's very a gold iridescent, but I'm not sure what the pink flip is. Next color that I'm going to be swatching is Diva. This is how Diva looks like. Diva is a opaque light pink. Light pink doesn't look good on me, but let's see how this goes. This one is, yeah, opaque. So this one I wouldn't really wear. It's very, very light pink, opaque light pink. So if you're looking for gloss like this, then you would like it. So I'm gonna swatch it. So next color is Snatched, and Snatched is another no shimmer, no glitter, no nothing. It's just a one solid color. This is Snatched, and this is an opaque mauve pink. So I think this one I will actually like. So this is how it looks like. It's showing a little bit of orange in the camera, but it's not orange at all. Well, it's a little bit on the warm side. It's like a warm mauve pink. It's a nice mauve, but it's like a warm undertone. Let me swatch it next to Diva so you guys can see the difference. This is Snatched and this is Diva right here. So Snatched and Diva. Yep, those are right there. So I have Snatched on right now. They look like that. Next lip gloss that I will be showing you guys is Daddy's Girl. It's a sheer baby pink with copper shimmer. Ooh. So, oops. So this is Daddy's Girl. Daddy's Girl is a sheer baby pink with copper shimmer. I like this one. I think this one I'm really gonna like. None of them have a plumping effect or anything like that. This one kind of feels tingly in a way. I don't know why. But this one looks really nice. This is Daddy's Girl. Daddy's Girl, the swatch, the baby pink with copper shimmer. I like this one. The next one is, this is Always Shining. This is a, what does the description say? Always Shining is a sheer with bright silver shimmer. So this is it. I like this one. This one can go with everything. Yep. That's how it is with every lip gloss of these ones. So let me try this one. It looks nice though. I like this one. It looks nice. I like it. I like this one. So that's how it looks like. It has silver and that's pretty much no like pink shimmers or purple shimmers, just all silver. So the last one is Clear with a K, of course. Clear lip gloss is a sheer with a light pink tint. So this is nice. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna try this on. Swatch is right there. You can't really tell, but it's right there. All the lip glosses feel very moisturizing, not sticky, not thick, lightweight, and I've noticed that they stay on for a long time. Each one is $16, but if you get the bundle, all of them are for $100 for the 7 lip glosses. All of them have shimmer except for Clear, Diva, and Snatched. Those don't have any shimmer in them, no glitter, no nothing. That is all for the video. I hope you guys subscribe and comment and like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye everyone.